In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to validate a digital signature in a PDF when it says, "Signature not verified." By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what that message means, how to check whether a signature is trustworthy, and what to do to get it properly validated on your computer. Let's start with the basic idea. A digital signature in a PDF isn't just an image of a handwritten signature. It's a security feature that proves who signed the document and whether the file has been changed since it was signed. When your PDF viewer says "signature not verified," it usually means it doesn't yet trust the certificate used to sign, or it doesn't have enough information to confirm it. First, open your PDF in a proper desktop PDF viewer that supports digital signatures, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. Web browsers or very simple viewers often can't do full validation, so make sure you're using a dedicated application. Once the file is open, look near the top or on the side for a signatures panel or a message bar that mentions the digital signature. Click on the signature or open the signatures panel to see more details. You should see information about who signed the document, when they signed it, and the status of the signature. If it says something like "signature not verified" or "unknown," look for an option such as "Signature Properties" or "Show Signature Details." Open that window to see the certificate information behind the signature. In the certificate or signature details, check a few key things. Look at the signer's name and the issuing certificate authority. Also check the validity dates to confirm the certificate was valid at the time of signing. If the certificate has expired or is not trusted on your system, the viewer will usually warn you here. To move from not verified to a trusted status, you often need to add the signer's certificate or the issuing authority to your list of trusted identities in the PDF application. In many viewers, there will be a button like "Show Signer's Certificate" and then an option to trust or add that certificate. Follow the prompts to trust it for document signing, if and only if you're sure you recognize and trust the source. After updating your trust settings, close the Properties window and let the application recheck the signature. The status should now update and clearly indicate whether the signature is valid and if the document has remained unchanged. Once you see that confirmation, you've successfully validated the digital signature in your PDF.